Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Learn Igbo on igboticnono. Sorry guys, I have some flashes of light like disco light. I want to feel like I'm in a party ground. Okay, that's the vibe. Okay, in today's video on Learn Igbo on igboticnono, we're going to be learning. I have my notes down here already, so I might be looking down. Please pardon me, because the girl takes this serious, so most times I put down my notes. It helps me. Today we're going to be learning days of the week in Igbo language. As easy as this sounds, we still find it difficult to know the days of the week in Igbo language, especially when you're learning Igbo. But trust me, this is among the easiest you have to learn, and it's like a background learning for beginners as well. We have days which we call oboshi in Igbo language. Days is oboshi in Igbo language. Mboshi. Mboshi is days. Mboshi is days. Okay? We're going to make a sentence so you can understand what I'm saying. If I say Mboshi Monday, it means the day Monday. Okay? The day Monday. Okay? And now, Monday in English, in Igbo, is called Monday. Monday. It's funny because it's almost the same pronunciation as in English, but different spellings, which I'm going to be showing you guys on the screen here. So Monday is Monday. Tuesday is Tuesday. Tuesday. The spelling is what is going to totally differentiate what I am saying from English to Igbo, but on saying it from my lips, I don't think you see much differences. Okay, we have Wednesday. And Igbo is called Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay? We have Thursday. And Igbo is called Thursday. 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 I don't want to mimic the pronunciation, but just trust me, it's almost the same thing, okay? So don't even stress yourself. We have Friday. And in Igbo it's called Friday. Friday. I'm going to leave the spelling on the screen, guys, so you guys will just see it yourself, okay? We have Saturday. Saturday. Saturday is called Saturday. Saturday. Okay? Saturday. In Igbo, we try to bring out the words individually and stretch it a little bit. I think that's just the difference I'm saying here. We have Sunday and we have Sunday. Sunday. Don't mind my phonetic I'm trying to put in between. The thing here is that it sounds exactly or very relatively to what you know as days of the week in English: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Like, it sounds almost the same thing, but what differentiates it entirely is the pronunciations. Do you understand? The pronunciations. So do you see why I told you that this is very easy to learn, but it's the background of learning Igbo language. I just feel if you know these very little ones, it kind of ushers you into learning the very elaborate one, the very big ones that you think it's complicated. But trust me, nothing is complicated in learning this language. Trust me, you just have to put in your mind, bring out your time, and tell yourself you're going to learn this language, and trust me, you will learn it perfectly well. So these are the days of the week in Igbo language. You can just memorize and repeat everything I've just said now. Days. What is it called in Igbo? Okay, say it. Days. Mboshi. Mboshi. Some people say mbose. So, different dialects, but it's accepted. Mboshi. Then the Monday, you say Monday. Tuesday, you say Tuesday. Wednesday, you say Wednesday. Thursday, you say Thursday. Friday, you say Friday. Saturday, you say Saturday. Sunday, you say Sunday. Do you understand? So in Igbo language, you kind of stress the bit. This video is very funny. As I'm even doing now, it's very funny because I'm just trying to make my pronunciation very different from the English, but I can't still make it so much different. So it sounds kind of funny in my ear. So guys, this brings us to the end of this video. So this is just the days of the week in Igbo language. Guys, please share my video. When you watch my video, share my video. It takes time to make notes for this video. Yes, I make notes for this video. It's funny, but I make notes. I do my lessons. how you're in secondary school and your teacher makes notes to come into the class to teach you and sometimes write on the board for you. That is how I make notes to come and teach you guys. So I really use time to do these things. I think of it, I put it I place it in a way that it's gonna be easy for you guys to learn. I don't know, and I just do it. You know, we that are small YouTubers, we have a very small platform. So even when we put in most work and no, most work, our best, people don't really see it because we are small YouTubers. Just like this topic I introduced on my channel, letters, Igbo alphabets, letters, and naming the phrases, letter of the day, A, B, C, D. Yeah, I started it first, but some other big YouTuber is doing it. Now the person has more views than me, but I'm also one that started it first. And right from when I started the letter A, letter B, letter C, yes, I have more views there, 20, 30 something. But someone that started this from my notion, I'm very sure the person started it from my notion, but the person is a bigger YouTuber and teaches Igbo language. The person is having 1,000 views, 800 views, 300 views. But me, that is the inventor, I'm still where I am. So guys, if you don't share me, you don't tell people about me, how will they know me? How are they going to know me? Guys, please assist me, watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, interact in the comment sections. When you do all these things, YouTube recommends it to a higher range of people for me, and it's really going to make me very glad, because when you're seeing performance and results showing, it gives you more energy to bring out the best in you while teaching. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.